In today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to properly remove the main board out of your Sony XBR-65X850E model TV. Our first step is we're going to remove the shroud on the side here, and then we're going to work our way down with our ribbons first and then the cables. So for these cables over here, in order to properly disconnect them, we're going to have to, there's two different mechanisms. This mechanism has more of a cream colored latch system that you have to press down in the center. So with one hand I'm going to press down on it, and with the other I'm going to very gently wiggle the ribbon out. With this mechanism we have two little buttons on the edges. So again, with one hand I'm going to press down on both of those at the same time, and with my other hand I'm going to wiggle out the connector. Over here we have a little bit simpler mechanism. It's just a little flap you push down on this end and it'll lift up on the other and clear the locking mechanism. With this one over here for the speakers, we'll press down in the center as well. And then for our IR, our I think standby lights, Wi-Fi, and Bluetooth, we have to pinch the edges. So I'll go ahead and do that. And let's see, try and do that on camera. And then wiggle out the wires. Same thing. And then this one doesn't have any locking mechanism, so just gently wiggle it out. There we go. Next step is going to be unscrewing some of the screws. And we're going to start with our antenna connector down here. So we have two screws here. And then this will actually slide out as well. Put that to the side. And we can then get the remaining screws. And the board should just lift out. It is giving me a little resistance, and that's because we have some thermal pads on the back over here that are just a little sticky, and they're just to help dissipate some of the heat from the processors on the board. Okay, now to install it back. Same thing in reverse. Line it up best you can. And I have two more screws for the tuner, so I'm going to slide it back in here. There we go. And then for all of these, the locking mechanisms won't actually need to be engaged, so you can just simply just press them all back in, and then they all will lock automatically. Same with the ribbons. You don't have to press down on those two buttons on the sides. And you should hear, even with the ribbons, you should hear a little bit of a click signifying that the ribbon has locked into the mechanism. If you found the video helpful or useful, leave us a like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.